Thank you, Team 1. So next would be Team 2. It's Angeli, Trevor, Annie, and Max.
Good afternoon, everyone. So for the past 2 weeks, our group and I have been working on an app called Oyster University. It's web-based and mobile-based. So our goal is to help raise awareness for the oysters, as well as help raise money for the Billion Oyster Project. But I'm pretty sure if I told you to raise money for the oysters, you're probably going to say no, because if I told you to think about an oyster, you're going to say, that's just another option on my entree or appetizer menu, so why would you donate? Also, you're going to want to know where your money is going and what it's doing. So our app is to help raise awareness. So the target audience for us are students in middle school and high school. So say if you're in a science class, you can easily use the website, kid-friendly, easy to use, and rather than sitting in class being bored, taking notes, you can do something interactive, learn as much as you can, and have fun at the same time.
As you all know, the Billion Oyster Project is the organization that focuses on returning 1 billion live oysters back into New York Harbor. However, not many people know how important oysters are into our ecosystem. They filter our water as well as build oyster reefs that are able to be used as natural barriers to prevent flooding. Not only that, they're able to maintain marine life as well as organisms. However, due to overharvesting as well as overuse of oysters, there have been depleting population of oysters and from the New York Harbor. We hope, as a result of this, we hope that the Billion Oyster Project, as well as our app, will be able to raise awareness for the need of oysters in our harbor, as well as gain their title back as the oyster capital.
So some people just think that oysters are just a pearl inside the shell. Well, wrong. So we have an oyster diagram, which contains the internal organs. So now the students will have the ability to see what's inside. So using the website, the students will have to do is click on the internal organ and read a short description of the functions. So then students today will enjoy doing something interactive and offers a visual and kid-friendly environment for learning. It's also important to read the info for our next part, which Max will be talking about.
Okay, so after you press next, you can go to our game, and you have these. You have a oyster diagram with missing parts, and then it asks you a question, and you can answer the question by clicking on a button, and then it'll tell you if you're correct or wrong. And then you can keep playing, and after you finish playing, you can go to our trivia page, where you can test your knowledge about the oysters and answer different questions. And in the future, we hope to expand this so we have more questions and support for multiple people to play at the same time, and also have a leaderboard where you can play against your friends and see how much you know.
So we also have a social media part, so because it's school-based, teachers can become involved, so maybe you can take a trip there just like we did, and if parents see that their students are passionate about the oysters and involved, and see that it is a good cause, hopefully they will donate money, which is the main cause of this whole app. So,
And with the help of our app and hopefully the Billion Oyster Project, we hope to raise awareness for the need of oysters in our harbor, as well as educate students, such as high school and middle school students, in the situation as well as this project.